Hi, dear traders. Welcome to this exciting live session. Today, I'm going to share something really special with you, my secret price action strategy that has helped me achieve consistent profits in trading. The best part? It's completely stress-free. Unlike many other strategies that rely on multiple indicators, this method focuses purely on price action. That means no cluttered charts, no confusing signals, just simple, clear decision-making based on market movements. With this approach, you'll be able to identify the perfect entry and exit points with confidence, set precise profit targets to maximize gains, avoid sudden reversals that can wipe out profits. This strategy is designed to keep trading simple and effective, helping you stay calm and focused while making profitable trades. Stick around till the end because I'll be demonstrating this method live, step by step. Let's dive in and take your trading to the next level. The first thing I'm going to do is remove all these indicators from the chart, because this strategy is all about keeping it simple and focusing purely on price action. Indicators can sometimes clutter the chart and create confusion, but by getting rid of them, we get a clear, unobstructed view of price movements. Next, I'm going to switch the time frame to 5 minutes. This is because my strategy works best on this time frame, allowing us to catch quick, profitable moves while keeping risk under control. Now let's move on to the next step. Look over to the left side of your screen. You'll find a variety of drawing tools there. From these, select the triangle pattern tool. This tool is super useful for identifying key market structures and setting up high probability trades. Once you've selected it, the next step is simple but crucial. We're going to connect the important price levels. Start by drawing a line from the lower lows. This helps us track how the price is trending upward. Then draw another line connecting the higher highs. This will give us a clear structure of the market movement. As you do this, you'll start to see the market forming a pattern right in front of your eyes. This is a key part of our strategy, helping us anticipate potential breakouts or reversals. Take your time with this step. Precision is key. Once you've connected the highs and lows, we'll move on to the next step and analyze what this pattern is telling us. Now that we've drawn the pattern, let's fine-tune our view for even better accuracy. Go ahead and switch the time frame back to 1 minute. This will give us a closer, more detailed look at price action and allow us to spot key breakout and reversal points in real time. Now, take a look at the chart. You can clearly see how the price is behaving within the pattern. When the price breaks out, it signals a potential strong move in one direction. When the price reverses, it tells us that the trend might be shifting. By analyzing these movements, you'll start to notice a pattern in how the market reacts. This isn't just about identifying breakouts and reversals. It's about predicting future price movements with confidence. The more you practice spotting these patterns, the better you'll get at anticipating where the market is headed next. Let's move on to the next step and see how we can take advantage of these patterns for high probability trade setups. Now it's time to put our analysis into action. I'm going to take a short trade near this higher line because based on the pattern we just identified, I'm expecting a reversal from this level because this area acts as a strong resistance zone, meaning the price has a high chance of reversing instead of continuing upward. We've already seen how price reacted to this level before, and now it's showing signs that it might drop again. By entering a short trade here, I'm aiming to capitalize on the potential downward move and secure some profits as the price starts falling. Of course, we'll also be mindful of risk management and have our stop loss in place in case the market moves unexpectedly. Now that I've already made my entry, the next crucial step is to set the perfect target for this trade, because having a well-defined exit point helps us secure profits before the market reverses unexpectedly. For this trade, my ideal target is this middle line. Based on price action, I anticipate that the price will move down, touch this level, and potentially reverse from there. This level acts as an important support zone, making it a logical and safe place to take profits. So I'm going to set my target right at this line to ensure that I lock in gains before any reversal happens. This way, I'm following a disciplined approach, entering at the right moment and exiting at the right moment. Now, let's take a close look at the chart. I can see that the price has crossed above the upper line, which is a crucial resistance level. This is an important moment because it tells us that the market could be shifting direction. Now, here's my plan. If the next candle turns out to be bullish, a green candle, I will immediately close the trade and book the loss. Why? Because this upper line was acting as a strong resistance, and now that the price has broken through it, this signals a potential breakout. In simple terms, the market might continue moving upward from here instead of reversing as we initially expected. In trading, risk management is key. Not every trade will go in our favor, but knowing when to cut losses and exit smartly is what makes a trader successful in the long run. Let's wait for the next candle and see what happens. Now, let's take a look at what just happened. A red bearish candle has formed, which is exactly what we were hoping for. This confirms that the market is likely to move in the direction we anticipated, meaning our analysis is playing out just as planned. Since the price failed to break above the resistance and is now showing signs of weakness, this strengthens our confidence in the trade. Instead of exiting, I'm going to stay in the trade and let it run towards my target. This is why patience and discipline are so important in trading. When the market moves according to our plan, it's best to trust the strategy, stick to the setup, and let the trade play out. Now let's watch how the price progresses toward our target. Look at this, traders. See how the market is playing tricks on us? It's going up and down, creating uncertainty and making traders second-guess their decisions. This kind of movement is designed to shake out weak hands, forcing many traders to panic, close their trades too early, and lose money. And that's exactly why 90% of traders struggle in day trading, because they let their emotions take control instead of trusting their strategy. The market thrives on fear and impatience, and those who fall for these traps end up on the losing side. But here's where my strategy makes all the difference. Instead of reacting emotionally, I follow a disciplined approach. According to my plan, I will stay in this trade as long as the market remains within this zone, because I've already done my analysis and I trust my setup. I won't let short-term fluctuations shake me out of a winning trade. Patience is key, and that's what separates winning traders from the rest. The market is once again moving exactly as planned. Since the price action is unfolding in our favor, I'm going to make a small adjustment to my target to optimize my exit. Instead of keeping it where it was, I'll lower it slightly to align it more precisely with the middle line, a key level in my analysis. Now, I've set my target to $622, which I believe is a strong support zone where the price is likely to react, because being flexible and refining targets based on live market behavior helps maximize profits while ensuring we exit at the right moment. Let's see how the price moves from here. If everything goes as planned, we'll hit our target soon. Boom! The price has hit our target, and we've successfully booked a profit of $622. Just as I predicted earlier, the price touched this level and reversed, proving once again how powerful price action strategies can be. Look at how the market is behaving exactly as we expected. This is the beauty of trading with pure price action. No lagging indicators, no unnecessary confusion, just clean and accurate decision-making based on market structure. Perfect entry, perfect target. If you follow this method, practice it, master it, and develop the patience and discipline needed, you'll be on your way to becoming a consistently successful trader. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more trading strategies, like this video if you enjoyed it, share it with fellow traders. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one, and happy trading.